gonna get hops today. We're looking for tools. This ladder gets heavier and heavier every year. What are you doing? Hey, you're in the way. Can you get out of the way? We got some people coming today to get the hops. So I got the ladder and I'll probably mow this. So it looks nice. We'll be harvesting sunflowers. So these are the nuggets. They were just tiny not too long ago. That's the cleaning lady. Oh, they're not done though. They're wet.
Oh, yeah.
And of course the Chinooks. A couple Japanese beetles. See how they nibbled on them? There we go. Okay. Hi, I'm Terry, and you're
TC.
TC
And May.
and May. Hi, come on, guys.
All right.
You ready for some hops? What kind were you interested in?
Well, I wanted to get your recommendations on things. I do a little home brewing, but I'm also interested for culinary purposes.
Okay,
So.
all right. We'll do that. So these are the Chinooks, or the Cascades. Cascades. And what you're looking for is, if you break it open right there, you see that yellow stuff in there?
Sure.
That's lupin. That's what you want, lupin.
Cool.
That's the bittering agent. Now these are nuggets. They used to be fuggles, but the Japanese beetles devastated them. So we got rid of them. And we replaced them with nuggets. Now they're a smaller hop. See? Thus the word nuggets. Right? And they're another bittering hop. And you can tell they smell totally different. Yeah, please break them open. There's millions.
This is so cool.
Yeah, you guys have to do some research on hops to understand them.
I've used mostly. I've made a few desserts with hops. I've used Citra a few times, but I've never gotten to use fresh. So this is really cool.
You know, I had to be honest with you. Starting, I think, a couple years ago, when we were advertising these, I probably had more people getting these for herbal and doing stuff like you do more than brewing beer.
Really?
But these are not ready yet. Can you feel how they're kind of like just squeeze them?
Firm.
Sure.
Feeling.
Yeah, wet, right?
Yeah.
And these are the Chinooks. These are my favorite. Now listen to these when you squish them. Can you hear it? See, they're almost done. When they start getting dry like that, papery dry. Pull them up on your phone, it'll give you an idea of what the acid content and everything. You gonna do with them?
Well, I'm sure we'll make some vinegar, you know, to preserve and keep using them for the next few months. I might work them into a sherbet or sorbet, I think.
That'd be interesting.
My hope with.
Yeah, we'll do that because then we don't have to worry about moisture getting in there, and we'll run the AC. Our car, we're not worried about it. I've even got that blanket in there. You can just lay that out.
The ride home's gonna smell great.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Thank you guys.
No, thank you.
Appreciate it.
This was awesome. Great experience.
Thanks for the camera.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, absolutely. This will be fun, right?
Yeah.
It'll give you something to do for a few days.
Make you carry on.
A good thing you got my drone.
But somebody can use them. We're so grateful. And thank you for showing us around.
Yeah, no problem at all. I'm Terry, and you're Darren.
Yep.
Nice to meet you. What'd you come for?
Cascade.
All right, let's do it. Good, good.
I tried them out.
Check them out. Check them out. There, put one off.
I put one in a Bud Light last year and it a lot better.
Oh my gosh, all those babies. All good, right?
Oh yeah.
I know. Now my hands are gonna be sticky for the rest of the day. Hops, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm definitely drinking this beer a lot.
Believe me, in the old days, it wasn't vines. In the old days, we actually picked them, dried them, bagged them, vacuum packed them, and froze them.
That's what I did last year.
Yeah.
With the one. I didn't get much though either.
I miss them. You know, he has some flunkies doing it. Hey, we shouldn't talk about that on tape. I'm glad you know what to do with them.
Oh yeah.
Hey, if you want to put them in a bag, that's fine. I was just saying. Oh my God.
Fine.
Oh,
Plenty of room.
this isn't an ad for your truck. They're beautiful, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're just loaded with lupin. Just, you know,
Smell good in there.
yeah, it's not lupin forever. That's what happens when we used to freeze them. We'd open them up in the winter and it'd be like summer in a bag.
Uh-huh. That's one of the favorite parts about brewing.
Exactly.
Smelling the hops.
Well, sir, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Have a safe trip back.
Will do.
When you brewing the next batch, are you gonna do a wet hop?
I haven't made up my mind entirely. Might not be for a week.
Yeah, that's fine. Have a good one. All right, couple more strands gone. Keep it up. Terry, how you doing?
Ken,
Ken, nice to
good
meet
to
you.
finally meet you out here.
Absolutely, welcome.
What a beautiful plot you got out here. This is
Thank
awesome.
you, thank you. What you harvesting today?
Well, hopefully we're gonna grab some hops
What kind?
so we can make some beer. From what I understand, I think you've got, what do you have? You've got Cascades.
And yeah, Cascades
You've got
and
Simcoes.
nope, I got
No
Simcoes,
Simcoes.
Chinooks
Chinooks.
and Nuggets, but the Nuggets probably aren't ready yet.
No problem.
Yeah. Yeah, this one here too, right?
Connected up top or disconnected or?
No, this one's still connected here. That's fine. Cut it down.
Take.
Just cut her. Find out where she's at. Isn't that crazy how they grow like that?
Well, they're unstoppable once they start working their way up towards the sun.
Yeah. Got her.
Oop.
That's fine. Yeah. Here, I'll let you do it. There's your prize. All right, hold them up. Let's see it. Ta-da! They gotta smile at me a little bit too. Bring it this way. Okay. Nice job. Definitely worth it.
Beautiful. Is that restaurant, do they like the nuggets or do they like either or anything?
The Cascades.
Cascades?
I guess because it's the type of bitterness, they were familiar with it.
Bitters and high temperature and the oil that they use probably as far as like emulsifying the tannins from the hop. That would make sense. Not that I know what I'm talking about. But.
The ones with the green are Chinooks.
Chinooks.
Looks weird loading these in. If you get pulled over, the cops are like, hey, what's going on?
Yeah. Are you coming from the border? The border of what, man?
Yeah.
What are you talking about? Oh man, this is gonna be the best smelling ride home ever.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it
It
very
was
much, man.
nice seeing you
Yeah,
again.
great to see you again too.
Absolutely. Enjoy. And don't be bringing me any beer.
Oh yeah, of course.
You can bring it to Jake.
We won't bring you any beer, Terry.
See you, man. Thank you.
Thank you. See you later. Have a good day.
You too. So I'm Terry.
Brett.
Brett, who are you?
Zarek.
Zarek? That's a cool name.
Thanks.
What kind of hops you getting?
Cascade hops.
Cascade. I brought the knife.
All right.
It's a windy day, right? Cascade it is. Let's get the ladder. All right, let's get this ladder moved over there. Look at these babies, huh?
Nice.
All right, I tell you what, so you guys got the knife. Cut the bottoms off of the ones that you want. And actually, what I would do, just I would cut it like here.
Yeah.
Why waste your time, right?
Start with that one. Cut it down here.
Be careful. Don't be afraid of them, just cut.
Cut right onto it.
You're cutting. This is how they are, right? Yeah, very tight. That's one. Pick another one. And there's no limits. You can have whatever you want. And these will probably have dead ones on it because when I mow too close, I probably cut one off. They grew into the weeds, see? You know what, dude? I'd cut way up here. Yes.
Oh, that's the one.
This is a lot of them. Be careful. Don't cut yourself. What kind of insurance? How did he cut himself? Well? You're doing it. One. I hear it, right? Yeah. Come on, hard, dude. There you go. Let's keep cutting them.
Almost got it all.
There it is.
Oh,
nope.
one more. And my hands are all sticky. Need two more? More?
One more.
Probably the one next to it, huh? don't matter to me. Whatever you guys want. A good year for him.
Yeah.
These, a couple weeks ago, I just they were just tiny little.
Yeah.
Now look at them. All right. Big guy's got to climb the ladder now. Oh. You want to grab the bottom of this one? He's going to drop him on you?
Okay.
If you just cut the rope.
Yeah.
And dress them up. Look how far they've grown, huh? All the way over here.
Got some climbers.
Exactly.
Ah, darn it, Brent. It's connected into
Oh,
the other
there,
one.
yeah. Oh. Here it comes.
Here it is.
That's one. Look at, you're gonna be picking for a month. Yes, please do, please do. Now, do you use them all or do you dry some?
I dry some.
Yeah, do you freeze them or?
Yeah, I'll
Yeah,
dry
yeah.
them and then I'll put them in the food saver bags.
Yep, yep. That's what I do too. We'll do that too. We used to do all this field like that. It took us like a week. But just the Japanese beetles turned me off totally.
Yeah, those things, they'll knock out a crop in no time.
That's why I don't have fuggles
Yeah.
or centennials. They're gone too. They love the centennials.
Oh, I bet.
Let's see them. Nice.
What you got here? Is this like a Japanese beetle trap?
Yeah. It works so well, it's gross. Go back on my videos and you'll see 5-gallon buckets.
Oh.
Yeah.
You can grab that one.
Look
I
at
got
those.
those too.
Let's take a look here. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Now I'm going to be sticky for the rest of the day, but it'll be worth it. Oh, man. All right,
They
thank
look
you.
like premature tiny dragon fruits.
Do they?
Kind of.
They're green. They're just dragon fruits, but they're just starting.
When I put that Japanese beetle trap out there, I had to hurry because they were attacking me because I
geez.
smelled like it now. I'm walking around and they're chasing me. Well, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, if you know anybody else,
Appreciate it.
got to get them within the next couple weeks, otherwise they're going to be done. So what are you guys going to do with these, brew?
Yep. Gonna brew up some, probably either an IPA with it or an American style stout.
Absolutely.
Let's get it going and get it sitting and resting, getting ready for fall and winter.
Be nice.
Brewed a hazy IPA with the Chinook
Yeah.
and Moss yeast, one of the Kavike yeast. Did it at like 100 degrees. It was ready in a week.
Really?
Oh, so good.
Now they're all the same, so we don't have to figure out which ones are which.
Yep.
Last couple guys, we had to mark them.
Yeah. Yeah, last time I came, I had, like I said, I had gotten all 3 kinds. I had to mark them and
Yeah,
keep track of what was where.
exactly.
Yay, that's
Ta-da! All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice meeting you. Thanks for stopping out. Thanks for feeding my fish.
yeah.
All right, you guys have a safe trip back. If you know anybody else, tell them they got about a week.
All right.
Or they'll be too dry.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.